If you love pumpkin cheesecake but hate baking, this is about to be your new fall obsession. 3 ingredients, no oven, and it slices like the real deal. All you need is brick-style cream cheese, sweet and condensed milk. Make sure it's not evaporated, and thick pumpkin butter, not pumpkin puree. Quick tip: let your cream cheese fully soften. If it's still cold in the center, you'll fight lumps the whole time. Beat the cream cheese for 1 to 2 minutes until it looks silky, glossy, and completely lump-free. With the mixer on low, slowly stream in the sweetened condensed milk. This is what makes it smooth, rich, and set up without gelatin. Once it's uniform, scrape down the bowl so everything blends evenly. This is how you get that bakery smooth texture. Now add thick pumpkin butter. It's already concentrated, sweet, and spiced, so it gives you big fall flavor without watering anything down. Mix just until combined. Don't overmix. Stop the second it turns smooth and evenly pumpkin colored. Line your loaf pan with parchment paper. That overhang is your handle so you can lift the cheesecake out cleanly later. Spread it out, smooth the top, and lightly tap the pan to pop any air bubbles. That's it. Your fridge does the rest. Cover and chill for at least 6 hours. Overnight is even better for super clean slices. Look at that slice, no oven, no gelatin, and it still holds. For extra tips and a full written recipe, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.